Welcome student of class 6th. I am Mehak ma'am, your science teacher. Today we'll continue video 4 chapter 2 component of our food. In our last video we discussed about balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet that contains all the necessary nutrient in the right quantity. That is called balanced diet. And then we discuss few tips to preserve nutrient in the food. First is we should not overheat or overboil the food. It leads to loss of vitamin C. Second, we should not wash rice and pulses again and again. It can also decrease their nutrient content. Peeling of the skin of potato, other fruit, it will also lead to loss of vitamin and minerals. Washing vegetables after cutting or peeling, it will also lead to loss of vitamin B and C and so many more points. Then we discuss about overweight and underweight. If a person take more nutrient than the body require, it lead to the condition of overweight. And if a person eat less for a long period of time, it will be underweight and weak. Then we discuss malnutrition. The lack of essential nutrient in the diet result in a condition called malnutrition. And today's our topic is deficiency diseases, their causes, their symptoms and prevention. Many people in our country are not able to eat a balanced diet and hence suffer from several diseases. Deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of some nutrient in the diet. If the deficiency of nutrient continue for a long time, it results in diseases. Deficiency diseases are non-communicable disease as they cannot be transmitted from one person to another. They can be cured by eating a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases are also called nutritional disorder. Let us study about the different deficiency diseases. First is night blindness. The symptoms for this is inability to see in dim light. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness. We should take food rich in vitamin A such as carrot, papaya, leafy vegetable. We should include these all in our diet. Second is rickets. The symptoms for rickets are bow leg, knock knees or development of pigeon chest. If a child is suffering from rickets, it has weak muscles and is also prone to intestinal and respiratory tract infection. Deficiency of vitamin D and calcium cause rickets. We should include milk and food items rich in vitamin D in our diet. We should expose to small children to morning sunlight as vitamin D is made by skin when exposed to sunlight. Next is goiter. The symptoms for goiter are enlargement of thyroid gland, retarded growth. A child suffering from iodine deficiency remain extremely short. It leads to dwarfism. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. We should include iodized salt, fish, baked potato, boiled egg, banana, these all in our diet to prevent this disease. Next is scurvy. The symptoms for scurvy are bleeding gums, loose teeth. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. We should take fresh lime, sweet lime, vegetables and germinated pulses to prevent this disease. In 1947, Vasco da Gama discovered sea route from Europe to India. During this long sea voyage, nearly 100 sailors died due to scurvy only because the sailors were deprived of fresh vegetable for many months. Next is anemia. The symptoms for anemia are pale look, tiredness, loss of appetite, fall in hemoglobin level in the blood. Deficiency of iron in the diet causes anemia. We should include leafy vegetables, pulses, meat, liver, fish to prevent this disease. Worm infection should not be there during the treatment of anemia. Come to the practice exercise. Lack of vitamin C in the diet causes scurvy. Second is deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Then few points on life skill they have given. We should not skip our breakfast because it is an important meal of the day. We should chew our food properly. We should take our every meal at a proper time. We should eat all kind of vegetables, fruit and pulses. Then they have given a table here showing deficiency diseases, their symptoms, causes and the food to be taken to cure the deficiency diseases that already we have discussed in detail. So you read it properly and then come to the practice exercise. First is rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C and vitamin D. These are the options. Answer is vitamin D. Second is goiter is caused by deficiency of option are iodine and calcium. So correct answer is iodine. So student, that's all about this chapter. These are your in-between question. Learn and copy down in your notebook. Answer key of back size and question answer will be uploaded on the website. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.